Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to do a quick review. It's yellow and purple. The packaging is exactly the same. It retails for $33 at Sephora. The only difference with the packaging is obviously the yellow. Still the same lid, still the same spray. Everything is the same. The smell is a very light citrus smell, nothing too crazy. I feel like it does give you like a radiant finish when you spray your makeup with it. It is very long wearing. I feel like the Urban Decay All Nighter setting sprays are pretty good. Most people don't like the smell of the original, but if you don't mind a citrus scent, this one smells pretty good. It's not overpowering. I am very sensitive with scents because I get tons of migraines with smells. Like, it just triggers it. So I feel like this is pretty good. It's very refreshing and it feels good. It does have cactus flower water, which I feel like it's very interesting. It says it is long wearing, vegan, cruelty-free, hydrating, radiant finish, and of course it has the vitamin C. I feel like some powders cling on to certain dry spots, but once I set my face with this, it just melts into the skin. It looks more radiant. It doesn't look too glowy, and it doesn't look too greasy, if that makes sense. I know some setting sprays can literally make your foundation look oily, but I feel like this one doesn't. Still like to apply powder over my setting spray in certain areas, like the T-zone. Even though I do get dry, I feel like throughout the day, especially when it's hot outside, the T-zone will start to get a little bit shiny, and I like to look matte. Even if I have dry skin, I like to have like a matte finish for my foundation. So on the Sephora website, it says it is a makeup setting and finishing spray with vitamin C that hydrates skin and keeps makeup smudge, water, and transfer resistant for up to 16 hours, which I do agree that it does help your makeup last. And it is a cruelty-free product, like I said, and it says also an energizing, brightening makeup setting spray that preps and sets the makeup for a vibrant look. You can use this before makeup to prep your face for a more vibrant look. And it says it helps smooth and firm the skin for healthy glowing appearance with a light citrus scent. It is comfortable, breathable, and creates a radiant finish. Now I feel like it's not too crazy when it comes to the glowy finish part of it. There's no type of like shimmer or anything like some finishing sprays or setting sprays that claim to have like that glowy look. This is more like of a glow within. I feel like it just makes your makeup look brighter. I don't know how. Maybe it's the vitamin C in it. Don't have any issues with it, as I do have sensitive skin. There's no irritation. The smell isn't overpowering for it to irritate my skin. So I feel like it's a pretty good setting spray. If you are a huge fan of the original Urban Decay, you would like this one. Now if you don't like citrus, I don't know if you would like the smell because it does have a citrus scent to it. So that is my review for this setting spray. I think it's a great setting spray. I love how it just melts away the powders on the face, so it gives you more of like a natural glow. It smells good, but it reminds me of this cleaning product that I like, because I like to clean and try different cleaning products, and most of them are citrus, so it kind of reminds me of a cleaning product that I've used. But overall, it's a great setting spray, and Urban Decay does a really good job with their setting sprays. They're very popular. So if you are a fan of the Urban Decay All Nighter, I would recommend you guys get this one. But I'll put a link to the product down below. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram. I'll put it down below. And also TikTok. If you are on TikTok, I'll put that in the description box down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.